Hello everyone. So in this video again, we will see a numerical on design of spur gear. Yeah. So I read the question and just I will write down here given data. So listen the question carefully. A pair of spur gears with 20-degree full depth involute teeth system. So here alpha is given as pressure angle 20 degree. Consist of 19 teeth pinion. So ZP is 19 number of teeth on pinion. With a 40 teeth gear. ZG is given as 40. The pinion is mounted on a crankshaft of 7.5 kilowatt single cylinder diesel engine where power is given 7.5 kilowatt means 7.5 into 10 raised to 3 watts. Diesel engine running at 1500 rpm. So speed of pinion is given as 1500 rpm. The driven shaft is connected to a two-stage compressor. Assume the service factor as 1.5. Now your service factor is, you can call it as CA or CS. In some books CS is also given, the notation. So CA or CS is 1.5. The pinion as well as the gear are made of 40 C8, made of steel 40 C8, for which SUT is given as 600 Newton per mm square. So SU for pinion and SU for gear. SUT for pinion and SUT for gear is given as 600 Newton per mm square. The module and face width are 4 and 40. Module is given as 4 mm and face width as 40 mm respectively. Now this is the given data. Now after this what is asked in the question is number 1, using the velocity factor to account for the dynamic load, determine factor of safety. Okay, so factor of safety based on velocity factor. We need to find first. Number 2, if the factor of safety is 2 for pitting failure, recommend surface hardness for the gears. Okay, so if factor of safety against wear or against pitting is 2, then what is BHN? Okay, you need to calculate BHN. Now number 3, if the gears are machined to meet the specifications of grade 8, if IT grade 8, then determine the factor of safety for bending using Buckingham's equation for dynamic load. If IT grade is 8, then determine factor of safety against bending using Buckingham's equation. Okay. Number 4, is the gear design is satisfactory? If not, then what is the method to satisfy the design conditions? Okay, so whether design is satisfactory, you need to find whether design is satisfactory. If not, then what the method you will use to make it safe. Okay, so that also you have to mention. Then how will you modify the design, that you have to find out. Okay, so these 4 things we need to do. Now here module is given. So if the module is given, it means that your gear pair is already designed. Okay? So whenever the module is given means you don't need to design the gear pair, all dimensions and all gear pair is already designed. But at this end you have to find the factor of safeties, you have to find BHN. Okay, all these things are required, and here again you have to check whether design is safe or not. Okay, so it is given here. If it is not safe, then you have to modify it. Okay, so this is the given data.